you. I used to own 7 cars in this long. Now working. Never invest all your money into. Trust me.
How am I supposed to do my job when you keep stonewalling me at every fucking turn? Fine, sir. I understand. I'll figure it out.
Everything all right?
These fucking politicians. They want me to clean up the streets, but they won't give me the resources I need to do it.
I got something for you, and I'm all you need to close it.
Yeah, well, it better be good. I'm in a pretty shitty mood right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Kidnapping down at the K-bar. Russian hostess. Probably here illegally. Now, I'm gonna investigate it further, but I wanted to give you the heads up.
You know, I keep waiting for the other shoe to drop with you, but you've really helped us out a lot lately. Let me know what you find.
No. Big cousin loud. You guys didn't take notes? Put it in the file so I don't have to have this conversation again. Fish balls! I know you... Fish balls! Tell everyone you know, my curry fish balls will blow their minds.
Have you found out anything?
Not yet. Did Katushka have any favorite clients? Guys that liked her particularly? Know anything like that?
You should talk to Mr. Chen. He had a real thing for her. I think they were, how do you say it? Special friends.
You Chan?
It's Mr. Chen to you. What do you want?
I got a couple questions about Katushka.
Why the hell would I tell you anything?
My name's Wei Shen. Maybe you heard of me. Little shits like you aren't usually so fast to insult the Sun on Yi.
Wei Shen. I'm so sorry, Mr. Shen. I didn't know. I have nothing but respect for that Sun on Yi. Please, I will help you any way I can.
How do you know Katushka?
We're friends.
Friends? Don't fuck with me, Chan.
Okay. We had an arrangement. I paid for her apartment, got her clothes, jewelry. She was appreciative.
Have you seen her recently?
No, for a week at least. She hasn't returned my calls either.
Where is this apartment?
I'll give you the address.
Anything else?
She asked me to get her papers, a visa, but I do not know how to get papers. I cannot marry her. I got a wife already, you know?
Hey, it's Wei. I need you to run a phone number for me. 5550-1514.
I'll call you back. Wei, you might have found your man. The number belongs to Yarkwai Lai, Fisherman Lai. He's affiliated with 18K. Runs a number of businesses along the waterfront. We think he's heavily into their smuggling operation.
Know where I can find him?
He likes to gamble. Frequents a little place in Central. I'll text you the address and his mugshot.
Good. Maybe I can plant a bug on him, see where he takes the girls.
How you gonna do that?
I'm gonna lose it to him. At poker. Hey, it's Wei. I need a car.
Sorry, I don't have any time.
Number 4.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing? Hey, so how does a man get to the high stakes table?
You talk to me.
I'm feeling especially lucky today.
You're always welcome here.
Excuse me, miss. Where can I find the high stakes table?
Just over there. That's Mr. Ya's domain.
This is witty, motherfuckers. Witty.
Ladies ready to lose your money?
What? Who are you? I don't know you. Get lost.
Mr. Ya, is it? Is that the way you talk to Sun On Yi?
I don't care about no Sun On Yi. Only money talks at this table.
Then let's get the conversation going.
Have a seat. I enjoy watching people lose. You want a game? Too bad. You're not so lucky, friend.
Let's make it interesting. What do you bet against a hot Russian blonde?
A blonde?
Yeah. Got this girl over at K-Bar. Very hot. And she's, you might say, in my debt. You win this hand, I deliver her to you.
You crazy? You want to bet a girl? What am I going to do with her if I win her?
Now, she's illegal, no papers. You can do anything you want with her.
Oh, yeah? All right, brother. K-Bar has the hottest girls in the city, and I could use another blonde. Besides, I'm feeling lucky. Too bad for you. Bring the girl to the docks at Central. Come play again. Maybe next time I win twins.
Liana, it's Wei.
Did you find her?
Not yet, but I found a man who may have her.
And what are you going to do next?
I arranged for him to take another girl. I'll follow him and see if he leads us to Katushka.
That other girl, you're talking about me, aren't you?
Yes.
激死你啊！
You ready?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna put a tracking device on you. I should be able to follow you wherever you go.
Okay.
You nervous?
A little.
Look, I'll be behind you the whole way.
Thanks, Wei. I really appreciate the help. I know Katushka will too. Nobody else there looks out for girls like us. It's good to know we have you on our side.
This your friend?
Uh-huh. I told her you'd help her sort out that immigration problem.
Oh, yeah. We'll sort that out. Come on, honey.
get you out of here, all right? Relax.
Yeah, we're okay. Can you get us out of here?
Maybe. Give me a second.
You're not like the others, Wei. There's something about you.
You better keep a low profile for a while.
Wei is the most decent gangster I know. I told you he would save us.
We snatched up Fisherman Lai and his entire gang, plus 22 women they were holding in 2 other locations. This is one of those cases nobody was paying attention to. If you hadn't cracked it, every one of those girls would have been forced into prostitution. Or worse. You've made a real difference, Officer Shen. Thanks. That's the last file I have open. I won't need you again for a while. Keep safe, Wei. And good luck.
Hey, it's Wei. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right away.
Here you go. Don't wreck it too much, okay?
Okay.
Kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? I like yum cha.
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smile Lee will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. Dan Hai, he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tuchin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. 但係 anyone who indulges as he does lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve, and now you will give him a nudge over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man. 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I like your style. I will.
Hey, what's your problem, kid? Mrs. Chen wants you to talk to me.
Hey, you broke the news?
She told me to tag along. Give you feng shui advice. Feng shui a lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean? You sure you don't want me to drive, huh?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Right on schedule. Usually goes gambling at this time. Tuchin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How we get into that gate?
We'll find a way in. Come on.
Okay. Wait. You think we can get over the wall with the neighbors?
Yeah, hello? Who's this?
We got a delivery for you?
Really? My husband didn't tell me. He better not have ordered something stupid from the internet again.
You got all kinds of skills, don't you, kid? Reminds me of myself when I was your age. Salty. I bet you're smart, but probably not as tough. Oh, I pulled a muscle. Ew. You lay low, me. I didn't even know I had a muscle there. It hurts like hell. Maybe I'll get a massage after this.
Hey,
Hey, who are you?
I live in the tower. The front door's busted again.
Yeah. Just hurry up.
So, how's business?
To be honest, Sunday, pretty damn shitty.
Really? What happened?
Taking a break from the import-export gig.
How come?
Yeah, something went wrong. I don't really want to talk about it.
All right. Suit yourself.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it. What are you doing here?
Delivering Tuchin's new package. You want to tell him you turned us away?
Oh, sorry, sir. Carry on.
How we get into that gate?
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
He'll fucking tell me to wait here. Open from the back. Wow, you're pretty and talented.
What?
I said you're pretty talented.
Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
want me to kick the door down? Hurry up, kid. I think I see a car. Wow, silly. When you look at this place. Man, if I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, Salty, you're the expert. What are we doing?
He tends you, huh? It seems like there's ghosts.
What about those faces?
Good idea. Maybe just leave it. It's an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
I know 4 is bad, but should we? We're some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
Okay, let's keep going. It's supposed to bring good luck. I've been here, well, that's not good luck.
He really buys into this hocus pocus shit?
You can't blame the guy. 2 chins got more money than taste. Wait. See that clock? Set the time 4:44 and unplug. Wow. 4:44.
Yeah, this could work.
Oh yeah, his phone is fucked now. Turn the piano so it faces the wrong way. I help, but I pull my grand climbing over the wall. Hi la, my crotch isn't what it used to be. I'm a tala. Got him up. I think we're done here. Old 2 Chin's gonna freak. Either he think ghosts fucking with him, or he knows his home isn't secure. Hey, somebody coming. We better go.
Mr. Chow, is that you? Anybody in there?
What do we do?
Just hide. Stay calm.
Did they leave the gate open when they left? Anybody in there?
Hey, is everything okay there?
Looks like Mr. Chow forgot to close his gate again.
I'm gonna get something to eat. You want anything?
You ordering food from the Golden Koi soon? I'll be right down.
They're gone. Come on.
Gage here. 2 Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. Ayya, deal! There's a camera.
Looks like we're on camera.
God, son. I hate how everyone got security cameras everywhere.
I already took care of that thing.
Oh shit, I think he's home. Get down.
Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. Why did you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you. What is this? Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think.
Wait, the guy left their car. Let's check it. Wait. Let's take the guard's car. Nice. Ah, damn well. I always wanted to get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Yeah, okay, bad idea.
You're a strange guy or something.
Thanks. Thank God.
Hey! I have a delivery here from the Golden Coin. Hurry up! I've been waiting for you for hours.
Nice work, kid. You got your salty style. Here comes in. See you later, kid.
Oh, salty style. Hello,
Wait,
Miss Chang. How are you?
Uncle Po. He's dead. We're making arrangements for the funeral.
Things could get,
Complicated. Yes. I'll be in touch.
Of course. Whatever you need.
Wait, right?
Wait! How'd the date with Vivian go? You wanna be her new boyfriend? Relax, Ricky. I'm just making a joke. So wait, you know Fifi Meow?
You mean the movie star? Yeah, I heard of her. What's she doing these days?
She's doing another movie in the Stripper Assassin franchise, but I want the role for Vivian.
That's a great idea. That would be huge for Vivian.
Yeah, it would help her profile.
Aren't you going with Vivian to the release party?
Yeah, you're right. Good call.
We're releasing the track that King produced tonight. You have a great time. You and the hottest star in Hong Kong. Go, have fun. You know Big Smile Lee?
Oh yeah, we've crossed paths.
Good. We've got a joint venture making porn. He brings the girls, I bring the production and distribution.
That's good money, I bet.
Yeah, if Vivian pisses me off, that's where she'll end up. But there's more money if I keep her a star. I just have to make sure she doesn't flake out on me. I want you to put some cameras up in an apartment. I need it done right away. Can you organize that for me?
Yeah, of course, Sonny. I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. Here's the address. There's a box of stuff over by the elevator.
Excuse me, sir. I don't think I've seen you before.
I'm a location scout. Could you let me have a look around?
Only residents and their guests are allowed, sir.
Now be quick. I'll make it worth your while.
No, it's not gonna happen, sir. You have to leave the premises, sir. libre, sauce la
That could be really bad.
I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it.
Did he know who you were?
Yeah, you should have seen him. We should get out of here soon.
Oh, wow, that sounds nice. I'm doing a tour, but it'll be done in August.
I guess you know what you're doing. Do you hear that?
You look beyond beautiful tonight. Every time I looked at you, all I could think was, I can't believe she's real.
Oh, Ricky.
She's too perfect to be real. Seriously. Every woman wanted to be you, and every guy wanted to. Well, you know.
Oh, Ricky, you have such a one-track mind.
Shit. Fucking Sonny. Oh, yes. You know I like that.
Okay, but let me go freshen up first.
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go have a smoke. Yeah, hey, Sonny. Nah, everything went great. Yeah. Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. Yeah, you should have seen him. Exactly. Fucking second rate. I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it. Yeah, people were asking about you. Oh, and now that you mention it, maybe I should check up on her.
Andrew, there you are. Are you fucking crazy? What the hell were you thinking of arresting Jackie, huh?
Oh, I thought we were past all that. I just wanted to congratulate you on that business with Tang. Good riddance. Now, what about Sonny Woe? Anything new there?
What about Jackie, huh? Fuck, Penju, are you deaf?
No, Officer Shen, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to. Wei, forget about Jackie a moment. Whatever we can get to stick to Sunny Woe will obviously hurt Big Smile Lee. And we both want that.
Fine. Sonny had me put up a hidden camera in Vivian Liu's bedroom. She and Ricky nearly caught me.
He always did have a reputation for that sort of thing. Think you could get a copy of that?
Are you fucking kidding me? She's got nothing to do with this shit.
This could be the piece that we're missing on Sunny. Can you get it?
All right. But I want Jackie in return. Cut him loose.
Very well. Get me the video and he walks.
I'll get it.
All right, I have to go. Get me that video as soon as you can.
All right, Penju, I hope you're happy. Vivian? What are you doing here?
Well, Sonny says you've been really helpful to him and to me. And I just wanted to thank you.
Vivian, no. Wait. What's this about?
Nothing. I just can't. God, Sonny's gonna kill me.
Wait, Sonny sent you here?
Yeah, don't you know that?
Know what?
I can't do it anymore. Sonny will just have to get another girl.
Look, Vivian, you don't need to. Not with me, okay?
So, you mean you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, you're the first guy who's ever, thanks, Wei.
Wei, did you bring the video?
And Jackie?
Done. This should be all I need to put Sunny Woe away for a long time. And with Uncle Po dead...
Wait, how'd you hear about that?
Good news travels fast. I'll have Raymond arrange your debriefing. Congratulations, Wei.
What are you saying?
I'm saying it's over. You've done your job. It's time to come in.
It's not over. Not yet.
Wei, the Sun on Yi is seriously crippled. Your mission was an unbelievable success. I must admit, I thought you'd be happy.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe. I can't come in now. I'm not finished yet.
I understand your personal reasons for doing this, your history with the Sun on Yi. This is why I selected you. But you've done more than enough. Those are my orders.
Fuck your orders and fuck you too, Penju. I came on to take down the Sun on Yi, not to shuffle the deck.
Shen, you're making a mistake. Wei, the Sun on Yi is seriously crippled.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe.
Shen, you're making a mistake.
Fuck your orders and fuck you too, Penju.
Wei?
What do you want?
Your friend Jackie has agreed he'll be walking out of jail in a few minutes. Just thought you might want to be there to pick him up.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.